Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change oil on a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's very easy, it'll save you a lot of money. So I'm going to show you some of the things that you'll need. Obviously oil, I'm going to be using 5W30 synthetic Valvoline brand. Oil filter I chose was the STP, I don't know if it'll focus, S16, good for 5,000 miles. You also need a 13mm wrench. This will get the oil drain plug off. An oil filter wrench in case if it's stuck on there. A drain pan, and then some funnels to, pour your oil in. Extra stuff, some gloves so you don't get your hands too dirty. So let's start by popping the hood. Pop the hood. It's a little warm, I just drove it, so you could either wait or I'm just gonna do it, why not? So what I like to do is open the oil cap up so when you drain the oil it flows a little better. So I'm just gonna twist that off, pull it off, leave it open, put the cap it's there for now, and then I will be back when I go under the. Alright, next what you're going to want to do is remove this bolt right here. It's the drain plug. It's kind of really weird to see. It's right there. So that is a 12mm bolt. So you're going to want to try to show you guys as much as I can. Place the drain pan at a good spot to catch the oil. Make sure you have it in reverse. So here we go. Get it loose, and I loosened this prior to coming under here. So okay, got it pretty loose. Put that down. Position this here. I think that should be good. Now you're gonna want to unscrew it. There we go. If you make a mess, definitely just, wipe it up. So there it is, draining, and I'll come back when I take off the oil filter. Okay, after tightening up your drain plug, I let all the oil drain. So I tightened it up, not too tight. I didn't put a lot of force on it, but enough so it doesn't leak. You're gonna want to go up to the front and remove the oil. Remove the oil filter. So it's that blue thing right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, that blue thing. I already loosened it with a wrench, the oil filter wrench. So I will be back once I get that thing off right there. So once you get the old filter off, this is the new one. I just took it out of the box. You're gonna want to get some of your new oil. So right here. I like to get a little bit on my finger and kind of lube this up. A little bit right here. I never pour any oil inside the filter. Some people do. I don't know if it's the right or wrong way, like I said. I do what works for me, so I just lube it up and then we can make our way back towards the underneath the car. Alright, now before you start pouring your new oil in, you want to make sure that everything is snug and on. So, let me grab this light real quick. So as you can see, the oil filter right there. That's only about hand tight. You don't want to go too crazy on it, but you can always check if it's leaking once you start the car. And then I got the drain plug on. You can really see it, but it's right there. Now that's on tight, so next step is to go up top and start pouring the oil. Alright, now we can get to pouring the oil. So here's my funnel. Just make sure it's all clean. Make sure most of the debris is out. If you have any crap in it, just clean it out. There you go, it looks pretty clean to me. So let's grab the oil, head on over to the car, throw the funnel right there, make sure the funnel's in. Let's go ahead and open this oil up. That there has a little pull thing, so you pull the oil out, throw that away. Start pouring it. So once you get all 6 quarts in, I already poured the 5-quart big jug, and then I got my small quart. You can go ahead and take out the funnel, wrap something out underneath it, close, put the oil cap back on, and then you're basically all set. You could always double check underneath the car and make sure nothing's leaking, and I will do that and show you guys once I start it up and pull it out. So I just pulled the car out of the garage, letting it run for a little bit. Oil cap's back on. Take a peek under. Doesn't look like nothing's leaking. Nothing's leaking under there, so I don't know, just keep an eye on your oil every week, just to make sure it's not burning or anything. And that's pretty much it, and that is how to change your oil on a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I think this is the same for 99 to 04, so if this helped you out, like the video, comment some video suggestions, whether it's car related or anything, and subscribe. Thank you.